Hello everyone. My name is Emma, and I'm so happy you are here to listen with me today. I want to share my weekend with you. It was a really fun and happy weekend. I hope my story helps you practice your English. Listening is a great way to learn, so get comfortable and let's begin. Saturday morning was beautiful. I woke up and saw the sunshine coming through my window. The light was so bright and warm. I jumped out of bed and looked outside. The sky was clear and blue, with no clouds. It was a perfect day. I felt so excited and full of energy. I decided to wear my favorite t-shirt and comfortable shorts because I knew it would be an active day. The fresh air from the open window made me feel happy and ready for an adventure. I couldn't wait to see what my family had planned for us. My family and I decided to have a picnic at the park. My mum and dad prepared a big picnic basket in the kitchen. I helped them. We made delicious sandwiches with cheese and tomato. We also packed fresh apples and sweet strawberries. For drinks, we brought some cold orange juice. The basket was full of yummy food. When we got to the park, we found a perfect spot under a very big old tree. The tree gave us shade from the sun. We sat on a soft blanket and listened to the birds singing in the branches. A gentle wind was blowing, and it felt so peaceful. After we finished our lunch, it was time for games. My dad brought a bright red frisbee. We stood in a big circle and started throwing it to each other. I ran and jumped to catch it. At first, I missed it a few times, but then I got really good at catching it. My brother threw it high in the air, and I ran fast and caught it just before it hit the ground. We were all laughing and having so much fun. It felt wonderful to be outside, running and playing together as a family. Enjoying the simple moments like this is the best. In the afternoon, my mum took me to the town library. I love the library. It is always so quiet and calm, and it smells like old books and paper. I walked through the aisles, looking at all the different books. There were so many stories to choose from. A friendly librarian saw me looking and asked what kind of books I like. I told her I wanted something funny. She smiled and recommended a book about a talking cat who goes on silly adventures. I read the first page and laughed. It was perfect. I happily checked out the book and couldn't wait to start reading it at home. After the library, we decided to get a treat. We went to my favorite ice cream shop in the town square. The shop had so many amazing flavors. I saw chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mint, and even bubblegum. It was hard to choose. I took a long time to decide. Finally, I picked my favorite, a big scoop of chocolate chip ice cream in a crispy cone. We walked around the town square while eating our ice cream. There was a musician playing a guitar, and the music was lovely. The whole place felt so lively and happy. As the day started to end, we took a slow walk home. The sun was setting, and the sky was filled with beautiful colors. There were shades of orange, pink, and purple. The air was warm and relaxing. On our walk, I talked with my family about our wonderful day. We talked about the funny moments during our frisbee game and the delicious ice cream. I felt so grateful for the whole day. It was simple, but it was perfect. I felt calm and happy, ready to go home and rest after such a nice day. Weekends are special because they help me relax and create beautiful memories with the people I love. This Saturday was one of those days I will remember for a long time. It was a day full of sunshine, laughter, and simple joys. So that was my weekend. I hope you enjoyed my story. Now, I want to ask you, what did you do this weekend? Did you do something fun? Tell me in the comments below. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Thank you for listening. See you next time.